Data nerds, Copilot is coming to Excel. It's basically Microsoft's version of ChatGPT inside the spreadsheets. So similar to ChatGPT, you'll be able to actually use a prompt on the right-hand side of Excel, give it commands to execute in Excel, and it will carry it out for you like it's doing here with actually forecasting results. It's pretty impressive. And this feature is heavily relying on Python and Excel, which was recently released and in beta, but it'll be rolling out with this. And because it's using Python and Excel, there's a lot of advanced features we're going to get out of this. Here, they're showing those visualizations. Also, they're showing how we can go in and actually fix those dates, because dates somehow are never formatted correctly. The other thing it can do is potentially forecast, which we'll be able to build in machine learning. Now, this feature looks like it's going to be available really soon. Specifically, they're talking about in their recent announcement about how this will be available around November 1st. And there is one catch. It's going to be $30 per user a month, which I can understand based on the computing cost it's going to take to use this. So I think it's going to be worth it. Now with this $30, you're not just going to get Excel, but you're also going to get Copilot in a lot of other products, such as Outlook here, Microsoft Word, where here it's actually translating some text into a table, Excel like we went over, Loop, and then OneNote. So I'm looking forward to all this. What about you? All right, see you in the next one.